creativity. That is the underlying essence of my channel Kala Art Online. And this is an online educational channel where I teach art. Of course, it is like an art class, only thing is that it is online. The intent behind this channel is to inculcate a love for art and craft, not only among the young children but also in the adults. Namaste, I'm Kala and you're watching Kala Art Online. Now the difference between my tutorial and generally most art tutorials is that before every class I generally give an explanation, a detailed explanation of whatever work we are going to do with some information regarding the lesson. I try to upload one art and one craft alternatively every Friday. So all my new subscribers, thank you all for joining me. And if you are new and watching my channel for the first time, do consider joining me by subscribing to my channel and do click on that notification bell to get updates regarding my new videos. Do let me know in the comment section what you think of my channel and if you want to learn something specific, because this is a tutorial and I'll be ready with a class for you. So in today's topic, we are going to touch a little bit on freedom. God loved birds and invented trees. Man loved birds and invented cages. I'm personally not against anything, but yes, I am against caging birds or any other animals for that matter. Birds are meant to spread their wings and fly. So keeping that in mind, today's class is on freedom. We will be making a cage. Of course, it's a beautiful cage, but a cage can never be beautiful. I'll be showing you all how to make a cage, and then we'll be making some branches, some birds, some leaves. And as you know, the motto of my tutorial, everything is going to be simple and easy. And of course, later we'll be decorating this wall behind me. I'll be removing this. We're going to decorate this wall behind me. And let's get started with the class. So for making this beautiful cage, of course the cage is not beautiful, of course. I'm taking a hardboard like this, a cardboard, and from the bottom of the cardboard, from one end, you are going to measure 10 inches. This is what I have measured because I want a big cage. Now it's up to you how big you want to measure. So I have taken 10 inches and I have also given it a shape like this, which I'm going to cut out. So this is the first step. Now, as I mentioned, this height is up to you. What is the height you want? I have taken 10 inches and this height is around 4.5 inches. So totally the length of my cage, the height is going to be 14.5 inches. After this, take another cardboard and measure it like this. And from here, I'm going to draw two semicircles like this. So one semicircle I will cut out, which will go on top here. And the other one will go at the base, this circle, which will form the base of the cage. So this, on the same hardboard, I'll cut out two semicircles. One here and one will go here. So this is the first step. So here I have finished cutting here. So now one is going to go on top here and the other is going to go below here. So now let me start painting. So here I have completed painting this. Now this is still drying. Let it dry. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to keep this in the side and I'm going to take out my black colored chart paper for the next step. So now since we are going to show birds flying, I've just taken out black papers like this, A4 size, and I'm going to draw different kind of birds. Some are sitting on a branch, some are flying. So let me just show you how we are going to do that. So let me just draw a bird like this. Now this I'm going to show like as if it is sitting on a branch. So like this I'll cut out quite a few birds. So here you can see I have just drawn like as if this bird is flying. Here is one. So I'll be cutting out, I've just folded it so that I'll get 3 of this. Then here again a bird is sitting. This is the side of the bird, and this I've still not done, so let me just see. So here is one. Now this I've just folded it so I get 2 birds of the same kind and just cut it out. Always in art, whether it is art or craft, the most important for me at least is creatively planning the work, doing the initial bit of making sure everything comes out perfectly. Assembling and then just sticking it is very easy, but the work should be perfect. So here, let me just move all this away. So here you can see I have got 2 birds. Now I can place it the way I want. I'll just keep it like this in the branch or however. So 2 are here. Now I've drawn 1 more here. So I'm just going to fold the paper into 3 so that I'll get 3 of this. So now that all my birds are done, the next step is making the branches and the leaves. This is a black chart paper which I have taken. I'm just folding it into half. And now I'm just going to draw just a few branches the way I want. So here. So on this I'm going to place the birds. We cut this out. Now I'm just drawing an extra few like this so that I'll just join this wherever I feel like. So here. So this is just a few designs I have drawn, just 3 branches. Now when I cut it out, I will get 6 because there are 3 below here. And then we'll make small line between this space, we won't waste. Just draw leaves like this and we will cut it out. So I have my branches, I have the leaves ready. Now all I'm going to do is cut it out. Here you can see my leaves are ready. I've cut quite a lot of leaves, and even the branches are ready. Here, that's one, and here is the other kind. So you just cut branches the shapes that you want. Now I have also cut out small thin strips like this, on top of which I will be sticking the leaves like this. These are the thinner branches. Now after this I will just stick it like this to the main branch. Now why am I doing this? Because when I stick it on the wall, I'll not be dirtying the wall. If I have to stick the leaves individually on the wall, my wall will get dirty. So when I stick it on a thinner branch like this, I just have to put blue tack on one end and then on the other end. So my wall is also going to be neat. So cut out thin branches like this, and on this we are going to stick the leaves. Here we go. One here. And finally here. So this way I'm going to stick leaves on a thin branch like this. So here, now the branches are done. Here we go, the branches are done. Now here all the leaves, small leaves on the branches, they already look so cute. Now this is done. Now the last step is making the cage. So here is the cage. This is all completely dry, and now I'm going to show you all how we are going to fix this on this, and how to make paper rolls for the cage. So let's go to the next step. Now let me show you how to make the newspaper rolls. Take thin strips of paper like this, then take a skewer or a barbecue stick. Now if you don't have any of these at home, just take a paintbrush. You can use that also. Here we gently start rolling it, and then you're just going to put glue. Here, roll it up. So here the paper roll is ready. So I have made quite a lot of paper rolls because I want to make a lot of lines on the cage. These are like those wire mesh we are going to make on the cage. Now after you have done this, you are going to take black acrylic paint and paint the whole thing black. So these are my newspaper rolls which I have made. I have used black and I have painted them black. So the branches are going to be black, the leaves are black, our birds which we have cut out are black, and the cage is also going to be black. So here I'm taking my hot glue gun, and let me just do this. So now I've put the glue here. Now very carefully just stick this. Same way here, put the glue. Here we are going to put the glue and stick. We are going to, so we are going to stick this. So here you can see the base is ready and this is also ready. So now from here to here I'm going to put the black rolls. So let me just put some glue here and here and we stick the next one. Again here and here. Now these extras, whichever is here, we'll cut it out later. So you can see that all the rods here are stuck firmly, and now whatever is the extra here, I'm just going to take my scissors and cut it out. So here the cage is ready. Here. So this is today's tutorial. I hope you all have enjoyed today's tutorial as much as I enjoyed making and decorating this wall of money. As I mentioned, birds are meant to fly. Do not curtail their freedom by putting them in cages. If you're a new viewer who's coming to my channel for the first time, do consider subscribing to my channel Kala Art Online. And for my other subscribers and viewers, thank you all for being a part of my journey. And before I sign out, as always, the quote for this class. Freedom is not worth having if you do not have the freedom to make mistakes. If you know who is the one who has given this such a beautiful quote, do write in the comment section. Let me see how many of you are able to guess who has given this quote. And in art, there is always freedom. Go ahead, express yourself. Don't worry, there are no rules in art. So get creative. Thank you all.